What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today we're going to be going over a proof that there are infinite prime numbers. So if you don't know what a prime number is a number that can only be divided by 1 and itself. Some of the prime numbers are, let's see here. So 1 is not actually considered a prime number, which is kind of weird. But the first prime number after 1 is 2. Oh, hold on. Okay. Let's try a different marker. 2. Alright, so 2 is the first prime number, then we have 5, and you'll notice you can't divide 5 by anything and get a whole number back. You can try and divide 5 by 2, and you're gonna get 2.5, which is not a whole number. I mean integer, which is not an integer. It has a decimal at the end of it. So you can keep going. Then there's 7. Then there's 11. Blah 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 blah. So are there infinite of them? Are there infinite prime numbers? Does it keep going on forever? Well, yes, it does. And this is from a really simple proof. So assume there's a suit. So this proof, there are like 2 ways to do a proof. Either you start with something you already know, and you keep going until you come up with the thing you want, or you start with that thing that you want to like prove or disprove, and then you keep going from there, and if you come up with something that's false, then you know it's not true, and the opposite is true. And if you come up with something that's true, then you know that thing is true. So we're going to be doing that. So let's assume there's a limit to prime numbers. So then all the prime numbers, we can just like multiply them together, right? So, okay, so we got like P1 times P2 times P3 all the way on to, well, Pn, to however many prime numbers there are. Because there's a limit, right? One of them is the biggest. That's what we're assuming. So we're multiplying all of them. Now what do we get? Well, we get a number that is divisible by all the prime numbers. You can divide this number by every prime number, and yeah, you'll get a whole number. So then what we do is, okay, let's just say this number is n, okay? No, x, okay? So x is a number which is divisible by all of our prime numbers so far. Now what happens if we just add 1 to x? Well, now, since, see, a number is only divisible by something else if it can go into that, a number is only divisible by another number if it goes into that thing an integer amount of times. But now that we've added a 1 to x, well, now we can try it with like the smallest prime number, 2. But is this 2? No. So like now we can't go into 2 can't go into this new number. 2 can't go into this new number evenly anymore, or completely anymore, you know? Now there's going to be a 1/2 at the end of this thing if you try to divide by 2. And it's the same with every single prime number we have. So this number, it's not divisible by any of these old prime numbers. It's only divisible by itself and 1. So what does that make it? A prime number. And you can actually try this. Let's say our limit is 10. If our limit is 10, there are no prime numbers after 10, then let's try it. The prime numbers under 10 are 7, 5, and 2. So let's do it. So this equals 35, and this equals 70. Now let's add 1 to 70, and we get 71. And 71 is prime. So we can try a limit of 6. Let's try a limit of 6. So now we have 5 times 2, right? And this is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11, which is a prime number. So you can see it actually works. So that was a quick proof that all there are infinite prime numbers. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe. If you want to see more content like this specifically, then like. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, comment section. Thanks for watching.